May ibang ex naman ako eh. Yung cheater dahil niyo dito.
Mahal mo pa?
Abangan sa magbabalik ng... Ay, wala bang commercial? Awkward pala, no? Are you comfortable with this?
But you two separated before you could enter college, right? So bakit mo pa rin pinursue?
Pucha, ba't nyo alam?
Pero yes, ilabas nyo na yan. Nanggigigil ako. Char. Yes, of course. He's telling the truth this time. Hala, intriga. Charot lang. Grabing meet up to spontaneous. May kailangan tayo?
Dito na lang talaga our schedules match. And fairness namiss ko kayo.
Just so you know that our team is producing a new reality segment series and kailangan lang interview ng isang taong nakaranas ng heartbreak. And gusto ko that one of my friends will be on the pilot episode. Sino siya?
Really? Ang kulit siya niya.
Grabe maka-cringe siya. Naghahanap buhay yung tao eh.
Eh kasi naman, what's the need to talk about an ex? Duh, kinalimutan ko na yung akin. The drama, no? The storyline and all. Patok sa masaya ang CC.
Speaking of a good storyline, didn't you have a high school sweetheart, Leia?
Excuse me? No, ayoko. Bibigyan pa pala ng spotlight ang lalaki niya. I'd rather expose my ex who cheated than to talk about that high school sweetheart.
Pero yung pangalan ng high school sweetheart mo, pagkadila ko eh. Pero girl, I'm actually curious what's happened between you two. Wala kang nga sinabi tungkol doon, tapos puro ka pa post sa TikTok.
Madaya, no? Paano mo kinakayang ilihim yun, ha? Can we not say bad words?
Sino ko sa inyo gigas ko?
Oh, pero maghahanap muna ako ng jojowain.
Wait mo ako after a year.
I doubt, and busy ka nga eh. Hanap ka na lang about friends sa'yo. Please, give yun na sa akin to.
Yun na nga, Leah. Talent fee naman eh.
3K din yun.
Kaya ko ba? I mean, I never wish to talk about it again.
That's a lot of emotional baggage. Though I am sure I am healed and all.
Ayun naman pala eh. If you are healed already, I think it's time to finally talk about it.
Salamat ka nga, hindi mo siya makakaharap.
I don't want to be in the spotlight. Sure ka ayaw mo ng closure?
But sometimes, not having a closure is the closure.
But you hesitated. Come on, you just have to tell your story and tada, catching na. Tricky din yon. Sanggip tayo.
Alam mo, I've read somewhere na kapag hindi mo kaya mag-decide, itoss ko mo yan.
Head, pupunta ako. Tail, hindi ako pupunta.
Oh my gosh, rolling na? Parang kinakabahan ako.
Sarap ng snacks nyo rito, ah. Sulit magbunda ko.
But you know what? I'm an avid fan of this channel. Those cute confession series. Grabe. Ilan doon ay nagkatuluyan, di ba? Doon ko sana gusto sumali tas set up niyo ako kay Jared Garcia.
Uy, napapanood ko yung contents nyo sa YouTube, ah. Makikita naman kayo bossing, no? Baka naman.
I heard this will be the pilot episode.
Yes?
Deserve! Charot. Tabi ka sasabi ako kay Gabe.
Start na ba?
Whenever you're ready.
Okay. Game. Is this my camera?
Introduce yourself.
Hello! I'm Dia Rodriguez, 27, registered nurse. Takas lang ako sa shift ko. Charot.
What's up, madlang people? I'm Kevin Antonio, 28, a pilot.
Buti may time ka, no?
Naku, himala.
What made me pursue aviation? May nakilala akong tao years ago who wanted to travel the world. At gusto ko ako mismo magdala sa kanya sa buong mundo.
Actually, ay sasabihin ko ba? Okay, Gabe. I once aspired to become a flight attendant para makapag-travel around the world. Ayun. Baka tanungin niyo pa who inspired me to be one. Secret!
But you two separated before you could enter college, right? So bakit mo pa rin pinursue?
Pucha, ba't nyo alam? Wala to guys. Stalker to. Uy, Cyril, ba't ganito agad mga tanungan dito? It was a promise I needed to fulfill. And that's the least I could do for that person.
Do you like someone right now?
I'm busy. I have flights to handle. Baka may bangga ko pa yung aeroplano. But if the question was, do you still like someone? My answer would be yes.
Gusto ka pa rin ba?
Ano ba yan?
I like our head nurse sa department namin. Mother figure siya.
When was the last time you fell in love?
Kanina, I told my parents I love them. Pero hindi yung sugat na gusto nyo. Alam ko yan.
When was the last time you fell in love?
Gago, nalalamig ako. Well, 5 years ago. Pero alam mo, those 5 years felt like decades already. Parang tagal na. Nakalimutan ko na paano may love eh. Tuwing umiihi na wala ako nakakaramdam ng kilig eh. Dagdag pa kapag may katabi ka.
Uy, SPG.
Ay, bawal ba? Okay, wait, sige, wait.
Romantically, there's someone I love the most. Noong high school ako. Yung high school romance, ayun. That kind of love. It was so fresh, so young, and fun. Yung relasyon na akalain mo hindi masisira. It was a fairy tale untold. Napaka-memorable na. No, naiyak ako. Kinakabahan ako talaga. Coping mechanism ko yung dumaldal.
Why? Wala ka ba naging karelasyon pagkatapos?
Nagkaroon naman. Pero iba yung feeling eh. Alam niyo yung kumilala ako ng bago for the sake of meeting someone new. Ganon. It was so high school. Total days. Everything was very saturated. Parang summer. Kapag nire-recall ko yung feeling na yun, parang natakbo lang kami sa burol habang may maraming bubbles na palutang-lutang. Tapos ayun, some good things never last pala talaga.
Mahal mo pa?
Abangan sa magbabalik ng... Ay, wala pa commercial? Okay. Nakakapagbiro pa talaga ako ng ganito, no? But really, hindi ko rin alam sagot eh. But I guess it's still there.
How can you say that it disappeared?
It became the environment I didn't want it. Yun na lang muna.
Can you describe that person?
I haven't seen him since then and I did not follow any of his socials kasi hindi ko rin ugali yun. Sa naalala ko lang matangkad. That's the first thing I noticed. Mabait pero seloso. Mabenta yung sense of humor niya. Pero madalas corny. He wasn't perfect and he never tried to be one. He's just being himself all the time and I loved him for that.
Ba't nangingiti ka dyan?
I think I know where this is going. But oh well, mahaba ang buhok, parang diwata, malambot ang mukha, parang anghel. Shit, namumukhaan ko siya ngayon. Yung ngiti niya, grabe. She looks so innocent. Mabait, maalaga, mapag-unawa. Habang naalala ko siya, I can't help to think about how things turned out between us.
Bakit? How did things end between you two?
Well, we just lost it along the way. And we both had issues. Let's just leave it there.
Do you have any idea that you will be meeting someone today?
I knew it. I knew it. Siya, no? Huwag niyo ako pinagloloko. Ex ko nung high school. Kung lagot, kinakabahan na ako.
What? Really? But it's not him, right? May ibang ex naman ako eh. Yung cheater dalhin niyo dito. Uy, Cyril! Wala to sa usapan na. Munda ka sa akin. Nanginig ako bigla. Dagdagan yung bayad niyo sa akin na. Nilabas yung trauma ko eh. Char!
What made you accept our invitation?
I just came to realize that it's time to face the music. Matagal na rin hindi napapag-usapan eh.
Are you ready to meet him?
Yung ex ko yan ng high school, no? Cyril, ah. Kaibigan ko yung isa sa mga producer niyo eh.
Are you ready to meet her?
Sana. Tagal ko na rin itong dapat hinarap eh. It's been long overdue. Kaya game, iharap nyo na ako kay Labi ko.
Pero yes, ilabas niyo na yan. Nanggigigil ako. Char.
You may now remove your blindfolds.
Shit.
Oh my God. Ilan yung sa akin to, tatadyakan ko to.
Hi. It's been a long time pala, no?
Yeah. I haven't heard about you for a long time. Musta?
Mabuti. Awkward pala, no? Are you comfortable with this?
Very long, I guess.
You sure? We can just scrub the whole thing if you want.
No. Chill lang. You have to be too concerned. Ngayon pa ba? Pagkatapos ng lahat.
Right. Sorry.
Can you tell us how did you two met?
Well, it was a school activity. As far as I remember, my trip planning activity in student council.
Kanina pa sa'yo nakatingin.
Grabe, activity na naman.
Para last month, may ginagawa rin tayo ah. Ngayon na naman?
Kala nyo naman talaga, may nambag kayo last month eh. Ngayon na nga lang kayo nakibahagi. Magre-reklamo pa kayo. Nox, good student ah. Dami-dami pa sinasabi. Tara na, init oh.
Parang marami akong matatanong na puno ngayon ah.
Well, ang ganda naman yung panahon. Dami tayo matatanong.
Maganda nga.
Uy, matutunan ng katitig mo yan eh.
Who's that girl? Ba't parang ngayon ka lang nakita?
First quarter pa lang, nawala na yung notebook ko. Buti na nga lang na-i-order ko bago nawala. Hindi ko alam.
Saan po ba pwede kumuha na CD?
Nandun sa...
Kumuha ka pa, kanina pa ako. Nagbibit-bit dito. Nilapasin nyo nga lang ako.
Saan area ba ito dapat itanim? You know, baka may designated area kayo to plant.
Pwede siguro dun sa may daanan pababa.
I'm not asking you, I'm asking her.
Aba, nasa
David. I'm actually glad that you participate in this activity. Yeah, samahan mo sila kung saan itatanim mo sila.
Loko ka talaga eh, no? Dali mo na nagawa ng paraan.
Kung pakipiliin ako, diploma diskarte. Diskarte ako.
Hey! Parang parang nagbagsakan mo pa dyan.
Sinamahan mo pa talaga.
Come on! Don't be such a jelly.
Hindi ko gusto ang pananalita ng lalaki na. Tsaka, tinawanan mo pa talaga ako. Ayun na naman siya, oh. Mga asar talaga. Oh.
Iyan mo na. Be the bigger person na lang.
Be the bigger person. Mas malaki pa nga sa akin yun eh.
Uy, grabe ka. Grabe ka. Iyan mo na. Tara na nga.
Gusto mo ice cream?
Libre mo.
Oo. Ako ang unang nagaya. Mag-ice cream ka lang mag-isa.
Bakit? Manglilibre ka ba? Why are you being such a jerk? Nakakabastos ka na.
You guys, ikaw yung kanina, di ba?
Yes po, madam. Kevin niya pala.
Well, it's nice to meet you, Kevin. Pero sana you leave us alone muna. Honestly, I didn't find it cool when you cut off David kanina. Tapos pinipikon mo pa. I hope this won't happen again.
Tara na. That's enough. Tara na.
Totoo po mga sinasabi niya?
Yes, of course. He's telling the truth this time. Hala, intriga. Charot lang.
Okay, since the viewers already had an idea how you two met, it's now time to tell your story by asking the questions you've been meaning to ask.
Yeah, are you ready?
Yeah, bring it on.
How's everything so far?
My life has been good to me actually. A lot of things have changed. I've stopped boards, I've found a job, and currently pursuing to work abroad. Tsaka masaya ako ngayon. That's for sure. Ikaw, how are you? How's your heart after breaking mine?
Wow. How's it really? Actually, hindi ko rin alam eh. My heart got broken too, Leah. At saka, matagal ko nang hindi intindi yung puso ko. I had to focus on something else. Pursuing aviation.
Ah, so you really pursued aviation pa talaga?
Kahit yun lang eh. Matupad ko. It was a promise I needed to fulfill, Leah. Have you been traveling?
I did not have the time to travel then. Tsaka, matagal ko na iniwan ng pangarap na yun. Hindi ko kaya bumaya mag-isa at ikaw ang mag-isip.
Palagi kitang hinihintay, Leah.
What do you mean?
Palagi ako nagbabaka sakaling isa ka sa mga pasahero ko. I've always wanted to take you around the world, you know?
Attention everyone! Since hindi makakarating si Sir ngayon, may iniwan na lang siya activity para sa atin.
Activity na naman? Ayaw talaga magpawat na sir eh, no?
May ganda, naging matupa.
Mga reklamador talaga.
However, in this activity, you have to work with the other section. I don't know for what reason but probably because wala din yung teacher nila. Uy, ano pala sila eh? Pasok guys! Hi po! Hi guys! They're happy to see me.
Or maybe it wasn't ba to afternoon?
Uy, di mo kalapit to. Bad shot kasi last time eh.
Mas ka ba?
This will be a group activity, okay? Okay. So ito ang gagawin nyo. In a piece of paper, you will draw something that symbolizes your dream career. And later on, you will be discussing it to your roommates. Okay, go? Go.
Kevin, right? Anong number ka? 10. Group kayo.
Talaga? Talaga?
Malibig itong tawag.
Yeah, wala mo.
Bakod na bakod. Wala yung boyfriend mo. Makabakod, kala mo naman. So, flight attendant pala.
Wait, Kevin.
Alone?
Yeah.
Di mo yata kasama boyfriend mo.
What boyfriend? Si David? Hala, we're just friends, no?
We, hindi naliligaw yun?
Well, yeah. Weird, no?
Alam mo, bagay sa'yo maging flight attendant.
I want to travel around the world. There's nothing deep about it, actually. I mean, there's so much to see. I don't want to miss it out.
Kung ikaw gusto maging flight attendant, I'd willingly be your pilot. Bagay tayo.
Sira.
But really, I want to be part of that dream. Gusto ko, ako mismo maghatid sa'yo sa dream destination mo.
Talaga?
Maging tayo muna. Bakit? Hindi ka na trouble free kapag kasama ko ng piloto ah. But really, pangako ko yan sa'yo. Magiging piloto ako at ihahatid kita saan ka man magpunta.
Hindi ako martyr, Kevin. Doing it is just unnecessary for me. Kung lilibutin ko man ang mundo, gagawin ko yun para sa sarili ko. Do you still do the things we used to like?
Oo. I still do the things we used to like, Leah. Chasing sunset, getting ice cream kapag napapagod tayo, road trips, lahat. As much I want to leave it all behind. Wala eh. Ang hirap bitawan mga nakasanayan. Ikaw at ikaw pa rin, Leah. How about you? Do you still keep the things I used to love?
No. I got rid of them all. Lahat. Kailangan kong umusad, Kelvin. At para magawa yun, kailangan kong iwan ang lahat. Iwasan ang lahat. I even cut my hair because you love it long.
Looks good onto you.
Naalala mo natatawa kapag sinasabi ko sa'yo gusto ko magpagupit? I used to feel insecure about myself dahil doon. But forget me now.
I'm sorry if you felt that way, Leah. But I genuinely thought it looked good on you.
Okay lang, Fel. Lumipas naman na rin yan. Sa katunayan, napaka-liberating na ng moment I cut my hair.
That's good to hear. I'm happy for you.
Do you still remember our anniversary?
Paano namang hindi? It was 29th of October. Isa yun sa pinaka-romantikong nangyari sa buhay ko.
Uy, iiyak kanina ka pa namin hinahanap ah.
Lynn, bakit?
I just need you to sign this project proposal. Need na kasi this action.
Yeah, sure.
Ano ba yan? Ganyan talaga kapag in love, no? Ngumiti-ngiti kahit mature na lang.
May naalala ko sinabi ni Kevin ako.
So, sinabi mo pa? Maraming instances na bigla-bigla na nangihiti yung gaga. Hindi naman halatang Peter ka, Seren. Punta mo sa likod, practice ka mag-voice.
Ayan, thanks, Lia. Mauna na pala ako.
Uy, CBC yan, oh.
Ay, Kev, tayo na ba?
Ha?
I mean, tayo na ba?
Saan naman kayo?
The love is in the air, sisi ko. Sama ka.
Corny mo naman.
Gusto ko sa'yo, dating tayo.
Libre mo ba? Tara, please. Uy, sama ko. Tara.
Tara.
Ewan ko sa inyo. Wala na rin ako.
Sige, ingat. Ingat ka.
Ang libro ng aking buhay, unting nawawala ng kulay.
How long have you been pursuing?
Aman? Grabe, no? Time flies.
Talaga? Then it's been a month that I forgot to tell you something.
Oh, what is it?
Kev, sorry kung ngayon ko lang sasabihin ko. Eh, kasi,
Gagi, Leah, pinapakaba mo ako.
Kev, I have a boyfriend.
Leah naman, this is not a good joke.
Kev, please, I'm sorry.
How could you do this to me? Sino ba yan, ha? Pigilan mo ako, susuntukin ko yun.
Love,
Huwag mo akong matawag na love. Tell me, Leah, sino? This better not be David or else.
he's actually in front of me. He's actually in front of me. My boyfriend's in front of me.
Shit ka. Totoo ba? Pinasagot mo na ba ako? Love, why did you have to tell me this way? Daming tao nakakanya.
Creative, no?
Halika nga rito. You and your ways of surprising me. Muntik na ako maiyak.
Ang okay ng reaction mo.
I'll never forget how you said yes sa harap ng kakarampot na friends na binili natin. I had no idea you were saying yes that day. Eh, 5 piso lang yung dala ko.
Wala tayong pera nung kakabatis ng contributions eh. But, it was the genuine thing happened to me. Kaso wala.
Some good things never last.
Yeah. Pinagsisisihan mo ba lahat?
Oo naman. Pero seeing you now, blooming ka. May maganda kang trabaho. Masaya ka. I realized that breakup was necessary for us to actually grow and be better people.
Well, look what the breakup did to you.
Nakagad, no?
Hoy, wala akong sinabi.
Nanginayang ka ba sa relasyon natin?
No. But the dream we had for ourselves, Doon ako mas nanghihinayang. Marami kasing plano para sa ating dalawa eh. Marami tayong gustong makamit. And I sometimes wonder we could have been if we did not break up.
Same. I always wonder, what if we were able to reach our dreams together? It's not yet too late naman, di ba?
That I don't know. How did you cope with our breakup?
Honestly, hindi ko maisip kung paano nung una. Ang una ko naisip ay uminom. But I knew you wouldn't like it. And I was preparing for my college admissions then. Gusto kong i-distract ang sarili ko sa mga bagay na nagpapaalala sa iyo. Pero hindi ko magawa. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, I used to do the things we used to love. Maybe that's how I cope up. Was there any time after our breakup that you ever thought of me?
Lulukoyin ko lang sa sarili ko pag sinabi ko ito. I even cried doing it. It was a painful decision. Oo. But everything about our relationship is beautiful. And I respect it so much.
Honestly, I think about you is a lot of those times. Minsan parang gigising ka na lang kasi tapos may isip mo na putya, nangyari talaga siya. Nangyari pala talaga. What is that one hurtful thing you like about me?
I really like how you handle me. You know when to crack up a joke. You know when I needed a hug. You know exactly when I needed it.
Ano ba yan? Ilang araw ko na pinapagawa sa yun ah. What are your excuses ulit?
I said I'm currently working on it. Which part of that did you not understand?
And you got the nerve to sass up. Alam mo, madidilig tayo niyan eh.
Eh syempre, hindi lang naman research ginagawa ko. I have other things to do.
Other things to do, nakita ko yung story mo nasa beach ka. I need your part this afternoon ah.
Hey, what's with the mood? Sungit-sungit naman.
Nakakainis kasi. Malapit na dyan ang research paper namin. Ayokong bumagsak.
Tignan mo, love, oh.
Hello, ang cute.
Feeling better?
Did someone help? Thank you, love. What are the things you don't like about me?
When you're being too hard on yourself, na you think you should be ahead of others dahil takot ka mapag-iwanan. But you're great, Leah. Proud ako sa'yo no matter what. What do you think was the lacking in our relationship?
Maturity. We weren't mature enough to acknowledge our struggles, each of our struggles. Palaging nagpapalamangan kung sino dapat mag-adjust. Ewan ko bakit. Hindi naman tayo ganun dati. We're so understanding. But maybe in my end, I had my fault. Kasi gusto ko ako lang iniintindi.
Well, I too had my mistakes. Kahit ako minsan napapaisip ako kung bakit tumandun sa ganun. Kaya masakit. We didn't see it coming. Bigla na lang tayo napagod.
Did our breakup teach you anything?
It did marami. Natutunan ko na dapat mayaman ka sa pag-unawa, oras, pag pumasok ka sa isang relasyon. Doon kasi tayo nagkulang eh. Do you think the breakup changed you?
Yes. Sobra. I developed a lot of insecurities since we broke up. That's when I learned to love myself. When did things turn south between us?
It's when we both wanted to be understood. Sobrang hindi natin sa isa't isa. To the point na we're letting ourselves to be toxic and expect the one of us will understand.
Na hindi natin nagawa. To be honest, inaasahan kong ikaw ang mas nakakaintindi sa ating dalawa. Diba? Hindi ka naman nagsimula na may pinuulo. Napasensya. Sinabi mo ko na lagi kang nakakaintindi, Kevin. Masakit sa akin when you suddenly become the opposite of Kevin that I used to love. Nawala yung Kevin na nag-iip ng spirit ko. Those times kasi, badly needed you.
Sinong may hawak ng puso?
Hi, finally. A day that just us together. Alam mo lang, na-miss ko to. Ikaw, nakatabi ako. Sobrang busy natin. Kahit sa chat, di mo na ako kinakausap eh. Nagtatapo rin ako minsan. Pero ngayon, hindi na. Kasi magkasama na ulit tayo. Hello?
Wait lang. Important natin siyang sagot na.
Kailangan ko na yung isingit yan. That can wait, Mia. Ano naman?
Urgent nga. I have to find something sa internet kasi binilamahan nga. Sayang oras. Ano ba? Importante nga, di ba? May nahabol kaming deadline, Kev.
Ako rin naman, love. Gets ko naman eh. Pero kung ganyan lang, edi sana hindi na lang tayo pumunta dito, di ba?
Love, sinusubukan ko naman. Sumama naman ako. You know I'm busy. Edi sana di mo lang ako naya.
Lintik. Siguro nagsawa na rin ako palagi umitindi sa'yo. Hindi rin lang naman ikaw yung nangangailangan, Lee. I needed you as much as you needed me. Pero gusto natin na iisa lang sa ating dalawa ang pagtutuunan ng pansin. Paano naman akong bigay ng bigay, Lia? Gusto ko rin tumanggap.
So feeling mo di ko na-reciprocate ng pagmamahal mo?
Hindi naman sa ganun. I love being loved by you. Siguro mali ko rin kasi binairal ko yung personal issues ko. When in fact, I could have chosen to be the bigger person dahil kaya kong uminindi back then.
Did you think I didn't love you enough?
I was thinking about that, Leah. Just that's what you made me feel.
Unfair naman. Minahal kita. Or maybe, I have loved you in a way that you didn't think that it was love.
You still remember that one afternoon in September?
Palapit na kanina.
Sayang eh. Dami ko na score.
Kaya nga eh.
Ako lang yung drop na tingnan dito.
How have you been?
Okay, ano na ako?
Alam mo naman kung anong araw ngayon, di ba?
What about it?
You missed my competition, Kim. You promised to be there.
You also missed my championship last night. May narinig ka sa akin?
Nagre-review ko kagabi, Kevin. I lost the debate. I got distracted kasi nahanap kita sa crowd. Kailangan ko ng support system pero wala ka doon.
So you're taking the blame on me? You don't need the support system if you studied well.
Wow! Didn't expect that to hear from you.
Eh paano naman kasi, Lia? Ikaw na lang lagi nintindi. Ikaw na lagi binibigyan ng atensyon, ng oras. Nakakasawa rin naman kasi. Paano naman ako? Wala ka naman oras sa akin eh. Kaya mo naman sanang ibalanse yung oras mo pero di mo magawa. Naiintindihan ko naman eh. Pero Lia, kailangan kita. Kailangan ko pagmamahal mo. Nangubos din ako. Napapagod din ako.
And you're telling me all of that just now? I wish you know how I'm dying to finish everything I can so that I can be with you. I'm sorry kung nabibigatan ka sa akin, ha? Oo, tama ka. Akala ko maintindihan mo ko. Eh, ganun ka naman sa simula eh.
Pero hindi sabihin nun na hindi ko susubukan may paramdam sa'yo na mahal kita.
You know what, Leah? I just can't see this working anymore. Let's just end this.
I can't believe you gave up kasi. Nanonumalik yung sakit. Nakamove on na ako, pero talking about it in front of you after so many years, gusto pangyayari mo. Laban ko naman noon, Ken. Hindi mo alam kung gaano ko minamadali lahat pero bigyan ko ng oras. Minsan, iniisip ko, deserve ko ba talaga yung breakup?
No.
Pero bakit ganun ka na lang kadali sumuko? I'm not worth fighting for. Pwede pa namin laban yun, Ken. Madali lang yung masolusyonan. Pero tinapos mo agad.
Alam ko naman, Leah. Pero bakit ka pumayag?
Wala akong sinabi, Kevin. Umalis lang ako. Pero bakit di mo ko pinuntahan para ayusin ang lahat? Alam mo, Kev, magdamag akong nag-aabak kung anong oras ka pupunta. Dahil yun ang pagkakakilala ko sa'yo. Pero walang dumating.
Sorry kasi hindi ko sinubukang ayusin na lahat. Sorry if I wasn't able to live up the man I promised you to become. Wala eh. Nakikita ko hanggang dun lang eh. Sorry. Sorry kasi hindi ko sinubukang ayusin lahat. Sorry if I wasn't able to live up the man I promised you to become. Wala eh. Nakikita ko hanggang dun lang talaga. I was afraid that I might fall out of love if I stayed longer.
Naintindihan ko naman. Siguro hindi ko lang gusto kung paano tayo naghiwalay.
If given a chance, would you change something in our relationship?
Hindi ko man gusto kung paano tayo natapos. Wala pa rin akong babaguhin yun. Kasi may natutunan tayo. We wouldn't be the person that we are today if it weren't for our past.
Namimiss mo pa rin ba ako?
Hindi na. But the memories, they are worth reminiscing. If we're still together, do you think we'd be happy?
Siguro. Kasi kung tayo pa, we would be living our dreams together. Ikaw, pinagsisihan mo ba na nakilala natin ang isa't isa?
Hindi naman. I will forever cherish our memories together. Isa ka sa malaking parte sa buhay ko.
Okay, last question. Are we okay?
Yes naman. I think we can finally go out in this room without confusion. Malino na sa akin lahat, Kev. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Leah Rodriguez and Mr. Kevin Antonio. Now, to complete this segment, we are going to ask you one last question to make it 30. Do you think love is sweeter the second time around?
No,
No, tama na
I
yan.
don't think so.
As the past whispers its secrets, two hearts find their way. Through laughter and tears, they embrace yesterday. In the echoes of memories, love's shadows dance. With every question answered, they seize their chance. Though paths may diverge and time may unfold, in the tapestry of life, their story is told. With courage to face what once concealed, they step into the future, their hearts now healed. In the journey of love, both lost and regained, they discovered that closure is not always pain. For in moving forward, they carry the light of what once was beautiful, now shining bright.